So, hello everyone, this is Famous. So, in continuation of my last video, which I talked about how I made my how I hit my threshold within the space of 120 days, which is like 120 days, like 4 months. I was able to get my 1,000 subscribers, then hit my minimum 4,000, and so in continuation of that video. So here, this video is going to talk about, this is going to be step by step. So this is actually my channel. So the one that just got hit the threshold, famous vlog. So I quickly did the first step, which was a review partner program terms, which I've done, and I agreed to it already. So the second step is sign up for Google Sense. So I sign up for Google Sense. Do you have an existing account? I'm gonna be saying no, I don't have an existing account. So I don't have. Then I click continue. So this is continue. So this is actual my actual YouTube channel. So yeah. So yes, so I'm trying to sign up for Google Site. You already have a Google Site associated. Okay, got it. So I have pasted. So what is this? So you need to fix some things to use Google Site. Please fix the problem we found so we can proceed. So what's the problem? Please read the issues with. We couldn't find the code on your site. This is because the code is either missing or incomplete. So what does that mean? What does that mean now? The code. So this one now. How do I do this? Oh, it's actually my first time. So okay. I've copied the code into my site. What is this? What code is that? Oh, okay. It's showing that I have more than one account. So I'm gonna be doing some certain things here. I think I actually thought of this before. So I'm gonna go back to this. Let me cancel this part now. I'm gonna go back, try to amend some things. So this one, what just that? Is it this part? But I think I actually thought of this that it might be a problem. So because I created some other brand under this site, so I think they want me to remove those brands. So let it just be one. This is the other stuff.